Welcome everyone. This is 1 minute health tips. If you eat 2 cloves of garlic a day for 1 month, this is what will happen. Garlic has the antioxidant allicin and the mineral compound selenium, which together boost your immune system. Garlic lowers blood sugar levels. It also normalizes blood pressure. Garlic kills stomach parasites and reduces flatulence. Garlic is loaded with natural antibiotic, anti-fungal, and anti-inflammatory properties which help heal encephalitis, that is, inflammation of the brain. It helps relieve chest and nasal congestion. The antioxidant allicin helps prevent formation of cancer cells. Eat 2 cloves of garlic a day, that is, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. To avoid bad breath, cut and swallow small garlic cloves instead of chewing it. Stay tuned for more 1 minute health tips. Be blessed.